Hello, Fung.
Sure.
Good morning, Fung. How are you?
That's with you.
Are you okay, Fung? Are you okay?
Yeah,
Yes, you are. Are you still sleepy?
yeah.
Oh no. But did you eat your breakfast already?
Uh,
Oh, okay. If you're hungry, you can eat while we're having our class, or if you can eat as well after the class. Now, let me share my screen. Fung, make yourself comfortable. And today, we'll talk about Unit 3, Lesson 1, Occupations. Why are you raising your hand? Why, Fung? Why are
oh,
you raising your hand, Fong? Do you want to say something? Why are you raising your hand? Do you want to say something?
Tại sao bạn lại giơ tay? Bạn muốn nói gì à?
Oh no. Okay. Now, let us have this one. Can you tell me, Fong, what's her job?
eh,
Can you
um,
still remember, Fong? She works in a post office. Okay, she works at the post office. She is a postal. Can you remember postal?
Home office.
Okay, wait, let me see. Work in an office. Okay, now Fong, she is a postal worker. Okay, a postal worker, and she works at the post
Class
office.
office.
Yes. What about him, Fong? What's his job?
Um, Samsung.
Okay, yes, he sells things. He is a salesperson. Okay, sales person. Next one, Fong. What about her? What's her job? Yes, she helps sick animals. She is a vet. Okay, great job. Now, what about her, Fong? What's her job? Can you still remember it?
Uh,
She is a. See, we're talking about occupations, right? Jobs. Fong, can you remember? Can you remember what her job is? She's a. She's a. Do you know or no? She's a cashier, Pong. Cashier. Okay. And she works at the supermarket. Can you remember it? Okay, next one now. Now she's a cashier for. She's a cashier. Next one. What's his job? What's his job? Yes, Fong. What do you think? Can you remember it, Fong? Okay, yes, a librarian. He is indeed a librarian, but we spell librarian like this. Librarian. Okay. What about for five, Fong? Now you don't know. He's a server. A server. Okay, so the first one, again, she's a postal worker, a salesperson, a vet, cashier, server, and librarian. Now, let us proceed to another activity. In here, read and encircle the correct answer. Fong, can you tell me, is he a librarian? Is he a librarian?
Is yes, he is. Is
Okay,
he
very good.
okay?
Is she a cashier? Is she a cashier for?
No.
Okay.
Yes. No.
Is she okay? Are they servers? Okay. And are they postal workers? We will check your answer later, Fong. Okay, thank you so much for the first one, Fong. Indeed, he is a librarian. For the second one, no, she's not a cashier. What's her job, Fong? What's her job?
He is he sells things.
Okay, yeah, she sells things. She's a salesperson. Salesperson. Now, is he a vet? Yes, he is. Next one, is she a postal worker? No, she isn't. What's her job for? What's her job?
He is a cashier.
Is she a cashier? No, she isn't. She's a
He's a
server,
server.
Fung. Yes, a server. Are they servers? No, they aren't servers, Fung. Yes.
Hmm.
What? Okay, wait. What's their job, Fung? What's their job?
He is a cashier.
Okay, they are cashiers. Very good. And are they postal workers? Yes, they are. Okay. Now, moving on to another set of activity for, let us have this one, right? And number who blank at the post office? Who blank at the post office? Can you complete the question, Foon? Is it who the at the post office? It's who works at the post office, right? Who works at the post office? Works for. Okay. Now, the blank works at the post office. Who works at the post office? The office worker. It's not the office worker, Fong. It's the postal worker. Okay, postal worker works at the office. Where is the postal worker here for? Is she a postal worker? Is he a postal worker? Is it her or him? Can you number it 1, 4? Where is the postal worker? Okay, it should be who works. Who works at, not that at the school, it's at the library. Okay, who works at, okay, who works at the library? Okay, can you tell me who works at the library? Okay, the librarian works at the library. Okay, don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the word in your sentence and as well as to put period at the end. Okay, next one, Fong. 3, we have here cashier. Who works at the restaurant? Is it at the restaurant? Fong? And who works at the supermarket, Fong? The cashier, you have to capitalize this one. The cashier. Continue, Fong. Okay, the cashier. Okay, the cashier works at the supermarket. Okay, market. Now, period, Fong. For now, for server. Server. Who works? Capital Fong, who works at the restaurant. Okay. Capital, this you have to capitalize the first letter, Fong, the server. Works at the restaurant. Okay, this is A, Fong. We spell restaurant this way. Okay, thank you so much for that. Now, I want you to number it, Fong. Number. Where is the postal worker? Is she a postal worker? Is it him? Can you number it, Fong? Where is the postal worker?
One,
Okay, very good. What about librarian? Okay, there you have it. Cashier. Okay, yes, there you have it. Very good, Fung. Thank you so much. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the sentence, okay? Next one now, match and write. Where does the vet work? Okay. Where does the vet work? Can you answer it in here, Fong? The vet works at. Where does the vet work? The vet works at the animal hospital. Period, Fong. And this it's not animals hospital, okay? At the animal hospital. Very good. Now, where does the salesperson work? Take your time, Fong. Yes, very good. Okay, now can you tell me where does the salesperson work? Just take your time, Fong. It's okay. Okay, the salesperson works for at, at the supermarket. It's at the department store, Fong. Okay. When we say supermarket, if you can still remember it, it's the cashier who works there, right? Okay, the salesperson works at the department store. The server works at the restaurant. That's correct. Last one now. Where does the librarian work? Okay, library. Last letter is Y, not I. And don't forget to put period. Okay, the librarian works at the library. There you have it, Fong. Thank you so much. And of course, be mindful with the spellings. Okay, next one now, Fong. Let us have this. What people do in their jobs. Okay. So, can you match it? Make food. Yes. The cook makes food. Okay. Very good, phone. Sells things. Okay, very good. That's correct. Four, drive buses. Okay, there you have it. Phone, fly planes. And fight fires. Okay, yes, very good. That was quick. Next one now. And here you have to unscramble. Can you unscramble it, Fong? What's the question here? And here's the answer. The salesperson sells things. Okay, but what's the question? Can you unscramble this one? Okay, what does the salesperson do? Okay, and don't forget to put the question mark for. It's not what does the do salesperson? What does the salesperson do? Okay, the salesperson sells things. Now, what about for the second one? This is a present simple question form. What does the pilot do? Just take your time, phone. That's fine, okay? The pilot not fly, but flies, okay? The pilot flies planes. Okay, period. And three now. Okay, what does the firefighter do? Okay, the fire. Is it? The firefighter fights. Okay, fights fires. Okay, that is the answer, Fong. Now, teacher Erica will just continue the rest so you can eat your breakfast now. Thank you so much, Fong, and goodbye, Fong.